AI can make you a better developer or keep you completely stuck. And if you're a junior developer right now, this matters more than you think. Because tools like ChatGPT are insanely powerful for learning code. But most beginners are using them in a way that actually slows down their progress. Here's what usually happens: you get stuck on a problem, you paste your code into AI, it gives you a solution, you copy it, and move on. It might work, but that doesn't mean it's the best solution for your problem. Because AI doesn't really know your code base that well. It doesn't know your architecture. It doesn't know your constraints. And it definitely doesn't know what you've already tried. So yeah, it can give you something that works, but not something that actually fits your project. And that's where the real problem starts. Because you're skipping the most important part of coding: the thinking. Coding isn't just writing code. It's solving problems. And if AI is doing all the problem solving for you, you're not actually improving. You're just moving faster without getting better. And that catches up to you because sooner or later, something breaks. And when it does, you don't know how to fix it. Now you're stuck. For real this time. And here's something interesting. Some studies have shown that developers using AI the wrong way can actually become slower because they spend more time fixing code they don't fully understand. So yeah, AI can help you, but it can also quietly hold you in place. But don't get me wrong, AI is not the problem. In fact, it's one of the best tools you can use as a beginner. It's like having a senior developer available 24/7, someone you can ask questions, get explanations from, and learn faster with. But only if you use it properly. Because right now, there are two types of junior developers. One copies everything AI gives them and hopes it works. The other asks questions like, why does this work? Can you explain this step by step? What happens if I change this? One is just finishing tasks. The other is actually learning. Same tool, completely different results. And this part is really important. Don't take everything AI says for granted. It can be wrong. It can give you bad code. And if you blindly trust it, you'll build bad habits fast. So if you're using AI, do this. Try solving the problem yourself first, then use AI when you're stuck. Ask it to explain things, not just give answers. And never move on until you understand the code. Because at the end of the day, AI isn't what makes you valuable. Your thinking is. That's what actually makes a developer stand out.